Hello everyone, welcome back to another guide to Yablo. Today we're going through 5 great tips to improve the efficiency of your customer service team using Yablo and Microsoft Teams. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Microsoft Teams is a great platform to combine all your collaboration tools into one central hub. Imagine you have a shared mailbox, support@mycompany.com, that your customers use to reach out for their support questions. Let me show you how you can integrate this mailbox into Microsoft Teams.
In your customer service team, you can already see the 3 default tabs: Posts, Files and Wiki. Using the plus sign, you can add a new tab and, in this case, add Yablo. If this is your first time using Yablo, you can create a new team inbox. Within a few clicks, your shared mailbox is connected and you can access your mail conversations from within your team. For more details on creating a new team inbox, check this video for more.
Imagine that you're in a call with one of your customers and some things come up that should be taken care of by your colleague. Wouldn't it be great if you could just take a note and forward it to your team member? Let me show you how to do this with Yablo.
First, you open the chat pane during your meeting. Next, you find the Yablo extension and you add a note. A screen pops up and you can fill in the necessary info for your colleague. Next, you assign this to your colleague so that he gets notified.
As an account manager, you might want to stay up to date on important conversations that are going on with your customers even though you are not directly involved. Let me show you how you can do this.
The customer service team received an email from an important customer about a payment problem. It is your responsibility to resolve this issue as quickly as possible. You assign the conversation to a team member to get this done and follow the conversation yourself. Now you will be notified when there is progress in this case. From the conversation notification, it is very easy to open the conversation and to coordinate with your team members in the comments.
You often need to discuss customer requests or problems with people outside your customer service team. Typically, this means forwarding all emails and documentation related to that customer request. But what if I told you there is a more efficient way to do this?
In this example, you are in a chat with Sam and Sophie to discuss a customer problem. To share the details of the customer problem, you can just copy a link to the customer conversation and paste it in the chat window. Sam and Sophie now have access to the complete history of this customer conversation and you can work together to get this problem resolved as fast as you can.
If you are involved in multiple teams and you're working with multiple team inboxes in Yablo, it might become troublesome to follow up on all the things you need to take care of. Let me show you how you can get a single overview with all the conversation cards that are assigned to you.
In the meantime, you probably already added the Yablo application to Microsoft Teams. To easily reach it, you can pin it to your left navigation. In the app, you can find all your recent notifications so that you're always up to date on important activities. You have access to all the team inboxes you are a member of, but most importantly, you can see an overview of all the conversation cards that you are the owner of.
So, these were the 5 tips for a customer service case. Try it yourself on the Yablo app in Microsoft Teams or on yablo.io. To learn more, check out our other tutorials.